I'm back. So I was gonna do this really cute montage of like all these flowers and little things and like driving in the car and dancing. All the files decided that they just didn't exist anymore, so that's gone. I might do that again sometime because it was really cool and I was gonna put music to it and everything, but it's gone. So I'm very glad that our topic is the Bible because I like the Bible a lot, you know? I guess I didn't need to grab all my stuff. Okay, sorry, there's gonna be builders, roofers, they're putting on a roof. A lot of you guys said axe, and okay, there were 2 of you. Both of you said axe, and I have actually, I started to do a little bit of axe, like, last night, so that was kind of funny. But mostly I've been doing 1 Corinthians. I want to show you guys because this is what happens when I read stuff. Okay, I'm gonna come behind the camera so you can see. Okay. See, I like write all over it. Can't see focus. Like there we got some underlining and some margin words and more underlining, and I think that's about as far as I've gotten. But yeah, I got to about 7. There's a spider web on me. Yeah, so 1 Corinthians. I mean, because I've just read so much, like, little parts of it, that I decided it'd probably be a good thing to read all the way through. Kind of get the bigger picture. Yeah, so 1 Corinthians has been my main thing, and then a lot of John, because that's what we went through a lot at camp. A lot of Isaiah, which is really cool, actually. I wrote a lot in that too. So, yeah, I wish I had montage to show you guys of videos and flowers and watering the garden and stuff, but I don't. So instead I bring you Bunny. He's so cute. I'm also allergic to him. And builders, roofers, Bunny, shadowy faces, and 1 Corinthians. So that's really all I got. If I find any clips that have remained in existence, I will put them right here, and that's gonna be it. I will see you guys, one of you, tomorrow.
Look at my red pepper.
Red pepper?
Finally turning red.
Over there. By the bee that you're spraying. Don't spray the bees, they get mad. Oh, look at the pepper from here. Look at the mighty pepper.